You see this? It looks like a splinter. It feels like a deep, painful pimple. Your first instinct is to squeeze it, to dig it out. But what if I told you that doing that could make everything so much worse? Because what's inside here is a carefully engineered nightmare. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Medicera, your channel for demystifying medical science and global health. Today we're answering a question that has shocked millions online. What is actually inside that terrifying jigger bump? We're going to go beyond the shocking removal videos and use detailed animation to dissect this step by step. And more importantly, we'll meet the people affected and learn about the right way to fight this. Let's start with what you can see from the outside. This isn't just a plug of dirt. That black dot is a critical life support system. It's a breathing hole, an excretion port, and the future exit for hundreds of eggs. This proves there's a hollow space inside, connected to the outside world. Now let's peel back the skin and see what that space contains. This is the reality. You are not looking at a collection of pus or dirt. You are looking at a female Tunga penetrans or sand flea. She burrowed in head first, and her body has undergone a horrifying transformation. She has swollen to over 2,000 times her original size, becoming a living biological factory for eggs. Her body is so specialized for reproduction that most of her internal organs have been compressed. When she's ready, she will expel these eggs back into the environment through that tiny hole, continuing a devastating cycle. So, why can't you just squeeze it? This animation shows you why. Squeezing doesn't remove the jigger, it ruptures it. This releases all those eggs and bacteria deep into your tissue, dramatically increasing the risk of a severe secondary infection, abscesses, and even tetanus. This is why safe, sterile removal by a trained professional is the only way. They carefully extract the entire flea, intact, preventing infection and allowing the wound to heal properly. The ultimate solution, however, isn't just removal, it's prevention. The power to stop this nightmare is stunningly simple. Something as basic as regular washing with soap and water and wearing closed-toe shoes can break the life cycle completely. So, what's inside a jigger bump? It's a complex parasite, a public health crisis, and a story of preventable suffering. Here at Medicera, we believe that understanding a problem is the first step to solving it. Your engagement helps us shine a light on neglected health issues. By subscribing and sharing, you're not just learning, you're becoming part of a community that cares. Knowledge is the best medicine. Thank you for watching.